read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Natmi from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Look over here. Let's count with me. How many goats are there? Oh, 1, 2, 3. Today we are going to trace number 3, okay? And we will say it again and again. We will learn the formation of number 3. Let's start. Start from the dot, make semicircle, make another semicircle. It will make number 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 goats graze on green ground. 3 goats graze on green ground. Okay, let's walk with me. And we will do action like a goat. Note your head up and down, and we will just do like that. Very good. Like goat is eating grass. Very good. One time again, we will count how many goats are there. 1, 2, 3. One time again. 1, 2, 3. Now it's time to rhyme. 3 goats on a grassy patch, hopping and jumping, what a match! In the meadow, they run and play. In the meadow, they run and play. 3 goats brighten up the day. Now it's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.